Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to edit WhatsApp messages. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process to easily edit your WhatsApp messages on your Android phone. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch WhatsApp on your Android phone. Step 2. Open a conversation where the message you want to edit is located. Step 3. Long tap the message you want to edit. Step 4. Tap the three-dot menu located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 5. From the menu that appears, select Edit. Step 6. Fix any typos or enter a new message, and then tap the check mark beside it to save the changes. Step 7. It's important to note that the recipient will only see the new message with the edited banner displayed underneath it. And there you have it. You have successfully edited your WhatsApp messages on your Android phone. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and happy messaging on WhatsApp.